I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And
this
that's
is
Dixie.
And we're Love Hut for Life.
Today we are in Arkansas. Particularly, we're in the Ozark National Forest, and it is home to a whole bunch of waterfalls, which me and Kelsey really love. Today we're headed up to Pam's Grotto, which is supposed to be quite the sight to see. And before we can go up that trail, we do have to pry ourselves away from this beautiful landscape, which is a bit of a hard one.
If this is the beginning of our hike, I am super excited to see what the rest of this day entails.
So we were just down on this rock shooting some pictures, and we had to scramble up this hill. And this goes to show you how much you should pay attention when you're out here. I had my hand just on the other side of this little fella.
Is that a baby copperhead?
That's a baby copperhead. He would have tore my ass up.
That was enough for us to decide that Dixie should probably stay home for this hike. The trail to Pam's Grotto is about 1.5 miles long and uphill the entire way. Some absolutely beautiful scenery on your way, though.
How's this hill treating you?
I'm good. I was just waiting on you.
Oh, okay.
Well, it appears that we found our first waterfall for the day. This is not Pam's Grotto. At least I hope not. This thing probably is a lot cooler when it's in full force, but right now it's a beautiful little drip. Nice place to cool off on a hike, though.
Womp, womp, womp.
In addition to our bonus waterfall, we got to walk through these absolutely gorgeous rock formations. It's always amazing to me just how tiny you feel standing next to something this big.
Let's go.
Up until this point, the trail is pretty easy, but in order to get a closer look, it does require a little bit of rock climbing. Wow. We still had a whole lot of exploring to do for the day, so then began the trek out of there. It's always less fun hiking out of these places than it is hiking into them. There it is, guys. I absolutely love seeing the Love Hut in the distance after a long hike. What do you think, Shane? This one was totally worth it, huh?
It was. It's a little hilly though. So is Arkansas.
Let's go home. Y'all, Pam's Grotto was an absolutely adorable hike that we had a whole lot of fun doing. It is a little steep both in and out, but I think the whole thing is only 3 miles back to the truck.
Something like that. I would like to thank all of you for following us along on this little journey. Make sure you tune in to our channel for more of them.
Y'all be sure and hit that subscribe button and follow along on our other social media channels such as Facebook and Instagram. Now, this is just one, or I guess 2 of the many, many waterfalls that we plan on experiencing while we're in the Ozark National Forest, and y'all know that we try to find them everywhere we go. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.
Bye, y'all.